Good day, my YouTube family. This is a new tutorial video. Today we're gonna see how to remove background from a picture. Easiest method like you ever find on the web. So let's go to Google and let's go to this website, remove.bg. Remove.bg. Okay, this is the first one. Okay, you have to use this one. Okay, this is by far the easiest method ever. I mean, ever. Back in the days, you have to use like Photoshop and do it manually, okay? But this one is super easy. We're going to this website called remove.bg, okay? We have the image. We previously have an image right here. We're gonna use for a product. We have this image, and we want to use this image right here with the hand and the cell phone. We have to promote a product for this, an accessory or case for this phone. Okay, so we want to use this picture, just this picture. You go to upload image and you look for the image right here, double click, and that's it. It's already removed. Look, all this is super clean. You can, this is a free website, but if you download, okay, if you want the HD version, you have to log in, create an account, maybe do some planning for this website. But you can use this one just for your regular use, a smaller size. You got download, and it's right here. You can resize this image using other tools, but this is completely free. You can remove the background using this tool completely free. If you want a bigger version, you need to sign up for this website and buy the credits, okay? But there's a lot of websites around that you can resize this image and get it bigger. This is also a pay. This is also with this tool you can resize the image. Look, you have like a pixelated one, and you can turn it into a high definition. Let's select the image we just download. Okay, now the image is completely resized. Let's check it out. Let's download the image, and you can see we have a bigger one. You can use this tool for your daily use, maybe your websites, images, so you can just do it like really fast. Okay, there's another way to do it, so it's more complicated, but this one is the easiest way. Okay, please share the video, thumbs up, like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more tutorials.